The Durango RT is one of those SUVs that's made to turn your daily commute into a minor adrenaline event. You're basically driving a 360 horsepower muscle car, but it happens to have 3 rows and a giant trunk, which is sort of absurd and fantastic. Shopping for a Durango RT is always about 2 things: power and presence. Dodge basically stuck a hot rod V8 into a family SUV and said, let's see what happens. For anyone who hates vanilla crossovers, this is a dream come true. Now, the thing you have to watch out for, pain point number 1, is price games. Dealers love to sneak market adjustments or dealer accessories onto RTs, adding $3,000 to $7,000 on top. Always check the sticker closely and call their bluff. Step by step, I always start by building my ideal Durango RT on Dodge's website. This way you know the exact trim, colors, and optional features you actually want. It also lines you up to compare real prices versus dealer-claimed discounts. Used Durangos can be a value goldmine. An RT loses about 40% of its value in the first 3 years. That's over $20,000 of depreciation you can dodge, pun intended, just by buying used with low miles. Test driving is mandatory. Don't settle for a quick spin around the block. You want to hear how the 5.7-liter Hemi sounds under throttle, feel the shifts, and check that the suspension isn't worn. Notice any clunks or hesitations and run away. Insurance on the RT stings more than your average suburban SUV. National averages put it nearly 20% higher than a V6 Durango. The V8 makes it a magnet for higher-risk drivers, at least in the eyes of the insurance actuaries. It's best to get multiple quotes before you commit. Fuel economy is, well, comical. You'll get 13 to 16 mpg in the city if you have a lead foot. And let's be real, you bought an RT for vroom noises. Just know each fill-up will remind you you're driving a muscle car, not a Prius. The Uconnect infotainment system is actually fantastic. Fast, easy to use, and supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Make sure on your test drive to futz with the screen and Bluetooth. Tech bugs are rare, but you want to be sure every button works. If you tow things, here's your pro tip. The Durango RT will pull 7,200 pounds when properly equipped. That's more than many trucks. Remember to ask if your RT comes with a tow package. Retrofitting one costs a fortune. Here's a pain point most people ignore. Brakes and tires on the RT wear faster than on lesser trims. You're not just buying a family car, you're buying bigger discs, performance pads, and 1,200 plus sets of tires every 30,000 miles if you drive sportily. Finally, don't forget to set aside at least $120 a month for maintenance and repairs, especially once your RT crosses 50,000 miles. Ball joints, suspension bits, and random electrical gremlins crop up more than you'd expect. Muscle SUVs have their quirks, but man, do they make life interesting. And if you find one in Octane Red with black wheels and it's under $40,000, buy it. Those go quick. There's something addictive about turning on an RT and hearing that rumble echo off the school drop-off lane. Welcome to the club.